guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, if you're wondering why I'm outside with all of these objects, it's because it's amazing, plus the table is very messy. So today we're going to be doing two experiments. So the first one is you need a big bucket of water, or like a bowl. Then you get a little paper, but you need to cut it and it will look like this. And so yeah, so it's really awesome, and yeah. So the start is I'm going to do a butterfly. I'm done. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be folding it over, and the magic is going to happen. So now it looks like that at the start, and now you need to get the bucket of water and then flop it in. And then it looks like a butterfly, sort of. Yeah, and that's the first one. And then it looks okay guys, so this is the one that I repaired earlier. So let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Can you guess what it is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's coronavirus. And be very careful because wash your hands 20 seconds. Okay guys, so the next experiment is you need a bowl of water like the other one. And it's about the coronavirus. And all you need is some pepper and soap. So let's pretend that the pepper is the coronavirus. And that should be good. So we need a finger. Daddy, can I please have your finger? Thank you. Lovely. Need a bit of water. Okay, now let's put some, and then please put it in the middle.
Wow.
See?
It all moves away.
Like that. And